Hey, so how do I add users to Jungle Scout? Let me share the answer with you in this short and step-by-step, hopefully easy to understand tutorial. Also in the description, you'll find the best discounts for Jungle Scout and a playlist with over 100 tutorials that show you how to use different parts of Jungle Scout. Great to meet you. My name is Vova Evans, seller on Amazon since 2016. Let's get to things. So once you're in your account and you'd like to add users to Jungle Scout, you are going to hover over this circle on the right upper side of the account, then click on Team Management. It's going to essentially lead you to this page. Now, what do you have on this page? You have users and teams. Now, what does it mean? Teams is the place where you can create a team that will have access to specific tools. So as a default, there's the full access. So that team has everything that actually Jungle Scout has to offer, but you can create a new team, let's say, and let's call it product research. Okay. This team is going to be for product research. Description: we find the best garlic presses in the world. Okay, whatever. Save. Now we have this team, product research. Now, what does it mean? Here, we need to kind of add some criteria to it. So click on the three dots here, click on view edit. And basically what you have here is the feature access. So let's say we only want them to have product research. So we remove everything. We can leave the academy, which is the Jungle Scout Academy. Basically, they can use it to study how to use Jungle Scout tools, or they can use the playlist in the description where I show how to use different parts of Jungle Scout. Of course, the best discounts are there as well. So it's now only available for product research and academy. And here you can add the team members, but since we still haven't added them, we cannot assign team members. That's why we're going to have to go backwards. Okay, now it's saved here, product research, and we're going to go to users now. And in the users part, we're going to have to click on invite user. Okay, we click on invite user, and here we're gonna select the team that we want to assign them to. Let's say product research. Let's enter their email, click on send invite. Now, for you as the owner of the account, you simply have to wait until they accept the invitation and they can just use their Jungle Scout. But let me show you how it looks from their side so you can share this video with them so they understand how to activate their Jungle Scout. And basically, as you can see here, there's 2 out of 2 accounts. If you want more accounts, I would recommend Jungle Scout Professional Plan. By the way, this is just the demo account for demo purposes, so nothing is connected here. But generally, for bigger teams, I recommend using Jungle Scout Professional because it has way more spaces here for users and you can actually invest in more seats. So more places for users with the suite and professional accounts of Jungle Scout. I'd recommend you getting the professional. Best discounts are in the description as well as for the suite plan. So let's see how it looks from the user side. They're going to get this email that says action required, invitation to join Jungle Scout. And I would recommend you telling them to check their spam folder as well, but usually it doesn't land there by Jungle Scout. But just in case, they're going to have to click on this email. It's going to say, welcome to Jungle Scout. Someone has invited you to join their team. Please follow this link to activate your account. They're going to click on this link and they're going to add their name, their last name, their email address, their password. And then after clicking join, they're going to be added to Jungle Scout. As you can see here on the left, they're only going to have the ability to use product research tools. So product database, tracker, opportunity finder, and category trends. And of course, in the original account, we have all the access. So in this way, you can add people to your Jungle Scout account. Now here on the screen, you're going to have the best Jungle Scout discounts and the tutorial of all those 100+ Jungle Scout videos. Also, you have all these links in the description if that's more comfortable for you. Thank you for watching. If something was unclear, I'll answer in the comments. Have a great day.